Once again, 안녕하세요, Vaishnavi Shi. So today is we'll learn about the pattern. Read this one.
Okay. Um. I- Is
Yes, correct.
Isamnika.
Yes, read this one.
Interrogative form of Isamnida.
Yes, read this.
Isamnika is the interrogative form of Isamnida. Questions for to be or to have, to stay, will be made by this interrogative ending. That is, are there, is there, or do you stay?
Yes. Okay, so it's the same which you have learned in fifth chapter. Just that was the plain form, and this is the interrogative form. Okay.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. So meaning will be same, only we will ask question and answer we will do the in this form. Like answer will
Okay.
be in the form, question will ask in this. Like how
Okay.
we ask na in the right?
Yeah.
In the then in nika, right?
Yeah, sir.
Nika. Same here it will be isan. Okay.
Okay.
Or to be, to have or to stay. Okay.
Okay.
So let's do the sentence practice. Read this one.
Do you have a sentence practice? Munjong Johnson.
Yes, good. Next, read the first sentence.
Do you have any plan for travel?
Yes, good. Now read the Korean. Try to read, I will help you.
Yeah, sir. Y- Yo, yo, heng, yo heng,
Yes.
yo heng. mm, Ke, ke win, ke
Hmm.
uni,
Mhm.
ke,
This will be here.
ke
This can here.
uini.
No, no, this is not no. See that this one. This one is Gasan, right? Gasa. Hello. Hello. Second one.
So 1 second.
Again read this line. First line read again.
Hello.
Yes, read first line again.
Um, ye heng,
Yo hang.
yo heng,
Hmm.
ke hueng, ke, ke huengi,
Hmm.
huengi. Isamnika.
Yes. Yo
Sir,
hang
can you,
hevegi.
okay, yo heng,
Hevegi
ke,
isamnika.
ke huegi, isamnika. Yo
Yes.
heng,
No.
ke huegi, isamnika.
Yes. Next.
Are there chairs in the classroom?
Yes.
Uh, um, Nyo, Nyosil,
Again
Nyosil,
you. Uh-huh.
Gyosil.
Yes. Correct.
Yeah. Gyosil, an, anye, anye,
आने.
ane.
Hmm.
Gyosil ane,
Hmm.
uisa,
Mhm.
uisaka,
No.
uijaka,
Yes. Yes.
uijaka, isamnika.
Yes. Correct. Read complete sentence once again.
Gyosil ane, uijaka, isamnika.
Correct. Next. Second, third line.
What is in the bag?
Hmm.
Gabang ane,
Hmm.
gabang ane, musoi,
Mhm. Correct. Move.
mu,
This so will come here. While
okay,
pronunciation, I am explained.
muyosi,
Mu or si.
muosi.
Hmm.
Gabang ane muosi, isamnika.
Correct. Next.
Is there a scissor inside the drawer of the desk?
Hmm.
Checksang,
Hmm. Correct.
se,
Next.
serab,
No, it's not syrup. It's a so. So.
sora,
Hmm.
so, sorab,
Yes.
sorab, ane,
Hmm.
kam, kam,
Hmm.
kam, ui,
Ghaviga.
kaviga,
Hmm.
kaviga, isamnika.
Correct. Repeat this line. This line repeat.
Checksang,
Hmm.
sorab,
Hmm.
ane, kaviga, isamnika.
Correct. Next. Fifth sentence.
Where is a cinema hall?
Hmm.
Yong Yong Hyo
Yonghua.
Yonghua
Hmm.
Weni
Hmm. Guani.
Guani.
This
Yonghua
this no
Guani.
will come here.
Okay. Yonghua Guani
Hmm.
Oni Ye
Mm-hmm. See this one. Consonant.
Oda
Yes.
Oda Isamnika.
Very good.
Heng oh, Yong
Travels. Hmm.
Yonghua Yonghua
Hmm.
Guani Yonghua Guani
Yes.
Yo Odi Odi Odina
Mm-hmm.
Oda
Yes.
Isamnika.
Good.
Oda Isamnika.
Sixth sentence.
How many apples are there?
Yes. Continue.
Sagwa Sagwaka
Correct.
Sagwaka
Hmm.
Myoch
Mm-hmm. This will be pronounced this one.
Mok
This one. Myot. Myot.
Myot
Hmm. Like
Sogwaka
this.
Myot.
Like this.
Okay. Sogwaka
Hmm.
Mot
Not so. Not so. Sa.
Sagwaka Mot
Myot.
Myot
Hmm.
Ke
Hmm.
Isamnika.
Yes.
Saguaka Note. K. Isamnika.
Yeah. Sixth. Maybe sixth sentence only. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Now you go.
Sir,
Yeah.
excuse me, sir. One
Yes. Yes.
second.
Mm,
Like what happened is actually my tooth actually like broken. So
mm,
I did the root canal. Like when I went to the outstation where my niece she passed away. Like where
mm.
met with an accident, so my teeth was broken, and
Oh.
they took that out and they did a root canal with another teeth. Now
Mm,
actually, and the under jaw is there, no sir. That one
mm,
piece of teeth is inside that. They have given 3 injection for me. They
mm.
asked me to come today for taking out that. So
Okay. So when you will go now?
yeah,
Okay. No problem. Take. You can go. Okay. So tomorrow we'll continue. Yeah. From here.
yeah, sir. That's okay, right, sir?
Okay. Okay. No problem. Yeah.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. We'll
And
see
the
you
thing is,
tomorrow.
like, I have ordered the book actually, but
Mm,
the tracker is at the same place, but I haven't received it. It's almost 3 weeks. The
mm,
tracker they gave me an update, but the it's in the same place. It didn't move it.
mm.
So,
Okay. So
is
you
there
just share
anything?
with me. No, no. You share with me that number. No, I will check with them. The
Uh,
publisher.
okay, sir. Okay, like
You
once I
just.
come back, I'll do it, sir.
Okay. Okay. No problem. Yeah. No issue.
Yeah. Okay. Thank
Yeah.
you so much,
Go
sir.
ahead. Yeah. Yeah. Welcome.
Yeah.
Bye.